Hey y'all. All right. Today we are going to unbox a little tiny. Another little tiny. I have a few little tinies. And I thought that I'd show you the tinies and move up to the smalls and then the mediums and then the larges and then the huge. So this is a tiny and it is Rapunzel. Now they have redone Rapunzel in a bigger size. I have seen this size done. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. So I think that I'm going to do this one. It may get donated somewhere down the line. And then I'm going to get the bigger one, probably for myself. So let's look. Let me focus in here. There we go. It's kind of like, where are we going? There we almost. There we go. Rapunzel, square drill shape. And it is another 20 by 28, just like Ride of My Life. So, let's get in to this one and see if this schematic says the same as the other. All right, this one has a multiplacer. I didn't see a multiplacer in the other one. Same kit. If you've never seen it, it's a tray. There's some baggies. There's some wax in the shape of a heart. There is a pin and there is a squishy. Just in case you've never seen it. Okay. Let's get this out the way because it's the same one. All right. Let's pull this out first. Love these colors. It has a born on date of March 24th. Now, I can't tell you when I got this. I don't have my book out. I'm not looking at my book. It's been sitting in my room a while. I can tell you I got it 4 days after I ordered it because I usually order on a Saturday. Well, 5 if you count Sunday. But I don't usually really count Sunday because I know folks are off. And if they're not off, they should be. So we have the 310 Life, 2 bags for this little canvas. We have some blue and purple going on, and I assume that this is probably going to be the background. Then we have, ooh, look at that orange. We have lots of orange going on. We have some little stragglers. Some friends wanted to come over and visit from the next pack. That is a beautiful purple. And there's a yellow, orange, purple, yellow. Bright orange. Boy, if that is not an orange. I mean, not an orange. Lord have mercy, it's a yellow. That is yellow. And that is a bright yellow. That is like sunburst yellow. Then there is a wine color. That's a pretty wine color. There's blue. There's like egg yolk color. Purple. That's a pretty pink. I'm not crazy about pink. Pink is not my favorite color. Purple is. There's another yellow. And then, ooh, that's a hot pink. And a soft baby pink. And a lilac. Some of my kids, when they see the color written down, they say lilac. Yes, and they're in high school. That is lilac, and it is so pretty. Then there's a whitish color, another yellow, a baby blue, and another pink. All right. So let's look at the canvas. And I'm going to unroll the canvas, roll it backwards without looking. This one did not come with a strip. It just came with that piece of paper. Why do they put the piece of paper in there if those steps are on the back of the box? I'm just saying, inquiring minds really do want to know why they waste that piece of paper. Because here, let's just look. They are the exact same directions. I mean, everything is exactly alike except for number 9. The girl's shirt is different color and the background is a different color. And the picture's different. But still, everything else is the same. I'm just saying. We might want to stop being wasteful with this piece of paper. All right, get that out of the way. Because here it comes. This does say it is a 20 by 28. Yay. No discrepancy there. There are 25 colors. Wow. It's little. It's an itty bitty. It's a teeny. So this one. Yes, this one is so pretty. I like it. I like it. I'm not hating on it. I do like it. I love these flowers in her hair. I like how they use the black to show the braid. There is some amazing shading going on. Let me see if I can get this up close and then focus. I'm having to do manual focus, folks. Bear with me. I'm sorry. But look at this. Look at all the beautiful shading. Look at all the clear, nice, lovely symbols. I mean, the quality is gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She does not necessarily have a face. Now there is this kind of different shading going on up here. And I guess that would be like pretending to be her nose, kind of. So, yeah, not a bad canvas. Of course, it is sparkly. It is so soft on the back. Oh, and it is sticky. I mean, we know they're sticky, right? It's Diamond Art Club. Come on. Oh, I cannot wait to get her done to see what she looks like. Now, I have not really checked out the bigger version of this. However, I have a very strong feeling that I'm going to like that one too. And I'm really interested to see how many colors the bigger one has. Sorry, folks. It's early in the morning. I am interested to see how many colors the bigger one has. And I haven't even found out yet, is it round or square? Don't really care. I do both. Neither bother me. Square takes me a little longer, but I'm okay with that. I'm getting faster. So, I don't hate on squares. And I'm not saying that people that dislike squares hate on them. I just like both. So, all right. So here it is. There it is. There's Rapunzel letting down her long hair. This is pretty. Over a balcony, like the dress. Dress must be one of those. Either it is a magenta or it is a hot pink. So, all right, we're going to get these hopefully back in some semblance of how they came out. We'll see. We shall see. All right, so we're going to take this. That's going to show you up. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yay, these fit back in there. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, that is definite. That's a little sticky. It's not terrible. I don't know if it's gonna stick, but there we go. All right, got it in there. Now, so this lets you see what the tiny Rapunzel looks like. If you don't want it so pixelated, which honestly, I don't really think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. I hate trying to get these things back in here. There we go. If you just want to try it, because maybe you've never done square. Maybe you just want a smaller image to do quickly. This one is a good one. Not mad at this one. You don't have the face going on. So here it is. Little itty bitty teeny tiny Rapunzel. And when I get the bigger one, I'll open it up and I may grab this one and okay. I may pull this one back out and try to remember how many colors it was and everything and compare the two. But I have not ordered the bigger Rapunzel. I think I'm going to wait on a BOGO. So until next time, guys, hope this is giving you some ideas on whether or not you want to get this one. Bye, y'all.